Are y'all the only ones in town?
Yes, there's one that's like way out.
This is only my second time in Henryetta.
Okay, yeah. So this would be the only one. I'm not even sure. So it's going to be close. Honestly, there's a family one.
So it would be close to strawberry.
But I don't. I think it's a little bit further hours.
That's it.
Okay, indicas. Are y'all having like?
Are you in free rolls?
No, probably. How much is like your grams?
Um,
Are they tiered or?
I get the name and go home looking like myself. Then
they're not really necessarily like the bottom or like the $8. Not necessarily any better than the. It's just we get a better deal.
But
on
you do
every-
have an $8 tier.
Yes, we do.
Okay. Indica wise, what is down there?
We have the skunk and gold leaf.
And gold leaf, I mean, it's down to the, almost the shade.
Yeah, and that's the only indicas you have right now.
And then the Cali OG Kush is a 50-50 hybrid. And then there is Rude Boy, that's the $9.
that's a 60-40.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know what Rude Boy is linked to? I hadn't heard of that one.
We had emails.
So it's going to be Fireman's. No, I was going to say it's going to be back.
I don't even know what it says on the OGR though.
They keep changing all the names.
I
I get
know.
where I know them, and then now
I know, they do. And then they bring on crazy ones. So they're harder to remember.
I don't know why they try to mix so much stuff. I like the smell of it just by itself.
I know.
Without
I
all the
know.
additives.
It
they got.
does get a
I
little
love the
crazy.
fruity smell.
Yeah, I
So
know.
the Rude Boy only sits at like 12%.
Do you know what, like, who it is? This is a fruity or what?
Yeah, that's
Melon
going to be
Skittles.
Fireman's. That's who the grower is.
But do you
How
know
much
like
is
what
that?
the strains are? This is 11, so it would be right here of these.
Yeah, no, that's something that you just have to either look up on All Buds or Leafly to see even if it's listed, you know what I mean? 'Cause
Yeah.
if they make craft strains, sometimes we can't even tell you what it is. You know what I mean?
Can I look at the skunk?
Uh-huh.
Can I see the sunset? Yeah, I might try to eat that.
What time do y'all close today?
At 8.
Okay. I'll think about it. And
Okay.
Thank you.
Spin the wheel of winners to get your deal.
That's cool. What's that? Excuse me. Hi.
Only let whoever has their card.